Table. Let me get my camera all nice and set up here. So happy to be joining you today, the start of the week. Although I know some people start their week on Sundays, but it's the start of the week for most of us. Thank you so much for being here. So happy to see you. Remember that the whole point of the Data Roundtable format is that we can talk about anything you'd like. It is an open format where we can talk about anything related to data professionals. So if you want to talk about an article you're reading, a project you're stuck on, some new library that you found, some new API that you're developing, some new AI tool that you're looking at, this is the place for it. The whole purpose of this is to create an open environment. I walk in here with no agenda. So please feel free to join me. Feel free to put your questions or comments or greetings or whatever else you want in the chat. I'm here to listen to whatever you guys want to talk about. I'm here to hold space and facilitate and just see where the conversation takes us. So today I am going to be hosting a chat here, and then I also move on to my Instagram and host a chat there. But I do have some things to take care of today. I am headed to the AI4 conference later. Have you guys even heard of this conference? I ran a poll on my Instagram that indicates that nobody knows what this conference even is. So I don't even know why I'm going, to be frankly honest with you. I might go today to check it out. And tomorrow there is a keynote by Jeffrey Hinton. So, I am interested in seeing what he has to say there. But otherwise, it seems like nobody really knows about this conference. It's slightly disorganized too, from what I've gathered. So I don't know. It is local to me, so I don't have to invest too much time in it. I do have a media pass, which is completely free to me and gets me full access. So for those reasons, I'm going to go. And I'm also meeting a couple of friends. But otherwise, I don't know. I don't know about this conference, guys. I might be doing some content from the show floor. We'll see. I don't even know if it's going to be worthwhile. Guys. Usually for conferences, I go all out. I get myself a new haircut. I pack my bag. I got my tripods. I got my multiple microphones. I got multiple cameras. I got my water. I got my snacks. But this particular conference, I just can't really get up for it, So I don't know, guys. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna pick up my pass just in case. Go check out the showroom floor just in case. But they sent me the press release schedule, and that was kind of like wrong, terrible stuff on there. But anyways, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I'll let you guys know how that goes. I might be doing some content there. I don't even know if it's going to be worthwhile to pop out my tripod, to be frankly honest with you. But yeah, it'll be interesting. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, so let me know what you guys are up to. Let me know what you're doing this week. Let me know what's on your schedule. What are you looking at? Guys, you're not going to become an amazing data scientist overnight. You just got to become a little bit better. A little bit better every day, every week. So what are you doing this week? What are you doing this week to help you get better at data science, in your AI practice, in your prompting skills? What are you doing? Let me know. Let me know what's going on in your world to help you along. But like I said, I'm going to be doing that. I just finished recording some content for my Instagram. I love doing the questions that people pose on there, so I have some fresh questions up there for you guys to look at. Yeah, and we'll just see where the rest of the week takes me. I'm also doing a lot of work for clients. I'm so fortunate that July was a great month for new client onboarding. So doing some more work every single day to help them along, to keep up with them, because I really love my clients and I would hate to let any of them down. So yeah, that's exactly what I have going on this week. But let me know what you have going on this week. I'm going to experiment a little. How do I add text to my YouTube? I wonder if there's a way for me to add text. Give me a second here, guys. Bu- I know that on TikTok you can add a little box that has your experience, but I don't know how to do that here on. Oops, don't want that. Oh, don't want that. I turned a filter on by mistake. Oh, how terrible to use a filter, right? Um, okay, it looks like I have green screen enabled. Oh, that looks terrible. Oh my gosh, get rid of that. I thought that there was a way for me to add a little box to give you guys my background. Oh well, I'll figure that out later. But anyways, if you're in the chat, say hello. Let me know how you're doing. This is the Data Roundtable. I walk in here with no agenda. I let the people in the chat set the agenda. Whatever you guys want to talk about, let me know. And you know what, guys? I really like this format because it's basically me taking on all comers for questions, right? So this always helps calibrate my own skills and my own knowledge when I can take on all comers like this. It's a little bit challenging, right, to be able to take on all comers. So willing to do it for you guys. Kind of keeps it fun for me. Kind of keeps me challenged. Kind of also lets me know that I'm on the right track with my own learning path and the different things that I'm looking at on during any given week. But yeah, so let me know that you're out there. Let me know what you want to talk about. What are you up to this week? And we'll go from there. I'm going to be finishing this stream and then going over to Instagram. Once I do Instagram, I'm going to put on some fresh clothes and go to this conference thing. The conference is about 30 minutes away from me, so it's not too far. Like I said, I'm just going to pick up my pass, say hello to a couple people, maybe walk the show floor. Not really too excited. I mean, after this conference, I probably won't go to another one until CES. And CES, I certainly get excited for. That one actually, CES should start registration pretty soon. I think they usually start registration in September. So yeah, I'll be excited to see the CES stuff, and I'll definitely do a whole media effort around that. But for this conference, I don't know, guys. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see where we end up with this one. But anyways, feel free to say hello in the chat. Let me know that you're out there. Let me know what you're working on. And we'll see where the conversation takes us. If there's any conversation today. Of course, it's possible that there would be no conversation. That would stink. But hey, that's just the way it goes sometimes. Sometimes people are busy with other things or there's nothing to talk about, and that's totally okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to switch over to Instagram. Feel free to join me there. But as always, take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and I will see you tomorrow, most likely.